Good morning children. In the previous class we have completed exercise 3.3 in which we learnt about bar graph and double bar graph. In today's class we are going to see entirely new topic, chance and probability. So what do you mean by chance? Yes, if you see clouds in the sky, you say that there are chances for raining today, right? When you term chance mathematically, you say it as probability, right? So chance is nothing but possibility of something happening. Okay, you can say that there are chances for relatives to come home today, there are chances to get a new dress for my birthday. Okay, and so that may happen or that may not happen, right? Yes, so that such kind of happenings are known as probability, right? So here, what is probability? How can we represent probability mathematically? Number of favorable cases divided by total possible cases. Okay, fine. So if you see an example, you will get a better understanding about probability, right? Look here. Example, probability of getting a head on tossing a coin. You all know how a coin will be, right? Yes, it has a tail and it has a head, right? So here I am finding the probability of getting a head on tossing a coin. Okay, so now let me take this as my favorable event. Okay, so this one favorable case. So let me have it as E, that is favorable event. Okay, so getting a head on tossing a coin. Okay, so now what are the outcomes that are possible here? Head and tail, only two outcomes, nothing else can be the outcome, right? Yes, and here total number of outcomes is 2 and number of favorable outcomes is 1 and total number of outcomes is 2, right? So what is probability? So probability will be favorable outcome divided by possible outcome, that is 1 divided by 2. So this is how you will find the probability for any event given. Is it clear? Learning about probability, we have to remember three types of events, right? So let us learn about them: sure event, possible event and impossible event. So what do you mean by a sure event? Sure event is nothing but the event that is certain to happen, that happens surely. For example, the sun rises in the east. Yes, right? That is true. That is universally accepted. So the probability of a sure event is 1. Okay, and we can say a sure event as certain to happen. Is it clear? Next one is possible event. A possible event can happen or cannot happen. Okay, so it is said as can happen but not certain. It is not sure. It may happen or it may not happen, right? Yes. Next one, impossible event. That is cannot happen at all. For example, the sun rises in the west. That never happens, right? So such type of event has a probability of 0, right? So now let us enter into exercise 3.4. In the first question, they have given 5 different subdivisions and they have asked us to categorize them under these 3 categories. Certain to happen, can happen but not certain, and cannot happen, that is impossible event. Okay, so now let us start doing this. First question, first subdivision, you are older than yesterday. Is it true or not? Is it a sure event, a possible event or impossible event? It is a sure event, okay, because we grow older day by day, month by month and year by year. So here this event is certain to happen. Okay, so you will write the same here. Okay, so coming to the next one, a tossed coin will land. So is it true or not? A tossed coin has 2 outcomes, okay, head and tail. Okay, so it is not sure that only head will come up, tail may also come. Okay, so for this type of event it is can happen but not certain, it is not sure, right? So you will write can happen but not certain, right? Next one, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. How many faces does a die has? It has only 6 faces. There is no chance for 8 to appear on the top of a die, right? So here it is an impossible event. So you will write here impossible, right? Okay, fine. Next one, the next traffic light seen will be green. Okay, If the traffic light is red, the next light is green. If the traffic light is green, the next light would be orange. If the traffic light is orange, then the next light would be red. Okay, so we don't know what is the previous light. If we know, then we can surely say what the next would be. But here it is simply given the next traffic light would be green. So this can happen but not certain. Okay, so here you will write can happen but not certain, right? Next one, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. Okay, so there are chances for it can happen or it cannot happen. Okay, so this one also can happen but not certain. So you will write that here. Okay, can happen but not certain. So is it clear for all of you? Coming to the next question, third question of the same exercise. A coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? Okay, so you are in one team and you have an opponent team. A coin is tossed to decide which team is going to start the game. The possible outcomes are head and tail, right? If the toss is on your side, you are going to decide whether to start or not. Okay, if the toss is on the opponent side, then the opponent team is going to decide whether to start or not. So only two possibilities are there. The chance may be yours or it may be the opponent team's, right? That depends upon the outcome of the coin. Okay, so now write here number of outcomes equal to 2. Okay, and number of favorable outcome what is the favorable outcome here? Maybe you would have chosen head or tail. Okay, so either one will be appearing, right? So here favorable outcome will be only one. Okay, yes. Next, probability is already saw that probability is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, right? So here you will have 1 by 2. So this is the probability that you will decide to start the game. Is it clear? So this is how you will find the probability of different cases. Okay, so we have completed exercise 3.4 and also we have completed the chapter 3. Thank you and have a nice day.